Moving on to the next topic, les nationalités, the nationality of the person. So now this also changes depending upon the subject, that is whether it is masculine or feminine. So whether it is masculine, he is, or feminine, she is. So français, français means from France. So in the masculine it is spelled this way, and for the feminine form we add an E at the end, français. Next, chinois, this means Chinese. So for the masculine it is spelled this way, and for the feminine form we add an E. So similarly, espagnol, it means Spanish, from Spain. Similar to that, for feminine form we add E. Allemand, allemand, it means German. For the feminine form we add an E. Mexican, Mexican, we add an E for the feminine form. The last one, however, is slightly different. Belge, it means from Belgium. It is the same for the masculine and the feminine form. So now we know the masculine and feminine forms of some nationalities. So there are many more which we will be learning subsequently, but these are just 6 nationalities, the masculine and the feminine form. So now to form a sentence which says your nationality, you need the subject, the verb and the nationality. We know this. So now moving on to the verb. The verb we use here is être. Être means to be. I hope you remember the conjugation of this verb. We have learnt it in our beginners classes. So this was one of the first verbs we learnt. So if you want to say your nationality, you begin with je suis. Je suis, and you say your nationality. For tu, it is tu es. You are. And as we already know, he is, il est, and she is, elle est. So we know how to use this verb, we know the subject, and we know the nationality. So I'm sure you'll be able to form some basic sentences. So do try to make more sentences on your own.